Nang si Makoy na ang pumose,
think about Elise when you're doing the shoot. Like you're seducing her with the eyes. Like, parang guwapo.
Parang si, ano daw, si...
Oh, guwapo naman. Look at her, look at her. You can look at her. Wait. Look at her for real. Like... Okay.
Elise. Baka naman sa'yo lang magaling tumingin si Makoy.
Now, Jean, we will take the picture, okay? And I will help you direct.
I smile, okay?
You can, yeah.
What do I do? 2, 3.
Wow,
Wait,
cute.
this is not my angle.
Cute.
Parang mas gusto ko yung kanina.
Okay, keep moving.
She's very cute. You can do lots of portrait. She has a beautiful face.
Si Makoy hindi mapigilang tumulong sa pictorial ni Elise.
One, two. Look at Makoy.
Kinatingin ka na, smile ka.
Very
Pa-cute.
cute. Beautiful. Go. Wait, a little consistent. Wow, beautiful.
Makoy at Elise. Talaga namang kinikilabutan ako sa kilig sa inyong dalawa.
Maklis!
Nung sinabi namin na, okay naman, picture kayo. O, tumayo ka agad sila, kuya. Wala man lang nagsabi na, wag na. Go lang sila sa picture, kuya, silang dalawa.
Ay, bagay kayo! Maklis!
Pero kuya, iba kasi yun eh. Parang ang lapit po kasi ng mukha namin sa isa't isa eh.
Makoy, nahihiya ka ba o kinikilig?
I don't know. I can tell McCoy he has something for her. It's starting. More up. Yes. That's it.
Basta-basta yung opinion ko.
Max. Love it. Max. 3, 4.
I mean, okay lang naman po kasi kilala ko na si Makoy. Pero yung mga housemate po kasi nanonokso. So, medyo natatawa-tawa kami. Yung Makoy, nagkahiyaan tuloy po yan.
Siyempre parang first time namin magdikit ng sobrang lapit. Kasi kakakain ko lang din ng toko, baboy. Baka maamoy niya yung hininga ko. Nahiya lang ako, kuya.
1, 2, 3, go!
Season 7!
Beautiful.
I tried to have more fun, get to know these people more while doing the task.
Housemates, tapos na ang inyong pictorial. Dali na ang camera sa confession room.
Hi mga kapamilya! Be updated with the Pinoy Big Brother housemates by clicking the subscribe button and watch all the latest videos by clicking the I button above.